Switch off the engine. Let us exit. Well, firstly, these are doors. They are extremely heavy. In the prior edition, Kirill and I brought focus to this matter. The handbrake is incredibly impressive. You see, is this a pedal, correct? In order to engage the handbrake, you need to press your foot on this lever right here, like so. Do you hear that sound? And to remove it, we pull on this, again lever, but it's already for the hand. And he just flies out like that. Once again, press. We are shooting. Press. We are shooting. These are just space technologies because this thing is still relevant. And to be honest, I would rather put it like this than with this thing that is still used in modern cars. What else interesting do we have here? This is a headrest regulator, friends. This small button, but it's far away and it's in an unusual place. Do you know what she does? She adjusts the headrest and you can adjust it comfortably by pressing it. What else is interesting is the adjustment of the rear view mirror. It is automatic for the second passenger and manual for us. You can adjust it by turning it. It is unclear why they did it this way. I constantly criticize the deflectors in new Mercedes-Benz cars, but here they are very harmonious. There are 4 of them here, 2 on the sides and 2 in the center. Most intriguing, where's the side adjustment? Wow, not pressing, she moves autonomously. Wow, automation. It's easy to adjust. At first glance, you may not guess, because here we have 3 levers and 2 of them are adjustable. On the sides and in the center, there are 2 central ones. It is a simple and brilliant design. The wheel is a miracle, but it chooses not a prize, but what temperature will be in your car. The weather is cold here and warm, red. This is a highly atypical solution that I personally haven't encountered anywhere. Smooth walking, wanting to fiddle. Up and down, up and down. You'll never guess what this button is for which you want to press. Depicted is a child or little person, maybe a gnome. Pressing it prevents the person behind, whom you seated here, from raising the windows near them. Now he can lift, but I press, and that's it. It doesn't work. So sit the girl in the back, press this switch, and she definitely won't call anyone for help, because there is perfectly cool sound insulation here. And most importantly, she can't leave either, as there are no doors here. There are only 2 people. In our time, the unbuckled seatbelt sign always flashes in front, but here everything was different because this is an old car. Simply observe the location where they have placed this sign. Upwards. What is the issue? Why did they do that? No one knows, but they're German engineers. Understanding them is impossible. Also a cool armrest here, convenient velvety. Chairs themselves, no leather. More precisely, it does indeed exist. She is present here. The seats are extremely soft because in the 1980s and 1990s, velour was a fashionable covering material. For some reason, everyone wanted velvet. Now everyone wants leather, Napa, Alcantara, etc. We additionally possess a hatch here, friends. Let us commence and unfold it. Wow, magic. Now in front of you is a complete starry sky. In this instance, these are gorgeous clouds. And when you go with a girl, she can once again climb out, spread her arms, and just like in the movie Titanic, shout, "I'm free," because she is riding in a Mercedes-Benz. Not on some kind of Titanic that will then crash into an iceberg and sink. This car will be able to eliminate all of them. Well, it signifies surpassing, not in a negative way, but surpassing in terms of position, fashion, extravagance, and focus. Let's adjust the driver's seat to a reclined position and move it back. Even though there is ample space in this area, despite my weight of 80 kilograms and height of 1.85 meters, I feel quite comfortable and cozy here, and I especially like this pen, friends. You must see her, how enormous she is. You can simply take it with both hands, drive, particularly if you are traveling off-road. However, the most fascinating thing we have here are a pair of concealed boxes. Do you see? You can put some stash there, hide something. And here we should have both a first aid kit, but in this case we don't have it. And this is very risky. I'll definitely pass it on to Kirill so he can put it there. Who knows what. Convenient. Convenient. I'm not accustomed to it yet. In childhood, I used to travel on the Volga, which was smaller than this car. and 100, 1,000 times less sexy. I pay special attention to Borbet wheels. They are enormous, savage, utterly and unquestionably perfectly suited to this car in every conceivable way. Do you see the sign? How beautiful he is. Why not AMG? Why not Brabus? Why not Borbet? Please comment. The rubber is cool. Michelin Pilot Sport 4, though I prefer Bridgestone more, but understanding that Michelin also manufactures high-quality tires. Two intriguing details. First, this is Kirill's car, Hermes Garage Project. Follow the link, it will be below. And just search for Garage Hermes on the internet and you will see a lot of interesting content about super cool cars from the past, mostly about Mercedes. In this image, we can see a typical Mercedes badge that indicates the model as 560. Supposedly 560 model, 5.6L, engine is 5.5. S is S-Class, Sonderklasse, Special Class in German, abbreviation for Sonderklasse. E means that the car has a gasoline engine, and C means coupe. But what is most interesting, there is also underlining here. That is, Mercedes with all its appearance emphasizes that it is the coolest car. Or there's a second option, it's made as if it's a single label, easy to stick. Now we lack this feature, as we know. Just goes by the number. If you suddenly hit the back or decided to repaint it, then you have to do everything perfectly evenly like this to ensure accuracy. In the past, everything was for people, for convenience. Put it, forget. Open trunk, see how things are arranged. To achieve this, you must press this tight, powerful, brutal, like the entire car button, which is made of solid metal. Press and feel, sense, listen to the sound, both. By the way, the trunk is extremely spacious and offers ample storage capacity. A minimum of 2 individuals can fit in this space. They can recline here, embracing, kissing, and so forth. They will be maximally soft and comfortable because it is S-Class, which means everything is convenient here. For all, and for front passengers, and for rear passengers, and for those lying in the trunk. By the way, this is a car from the 1980s used by dictators, so it wouldn't be surprising if numerous people, possibly many people, relocated precisely to this location. And the cherry on top, we open the hood. Before that, there's a huge door, and we press this lever here. Friends, take a close look at him. See how convenient he is. Pulling on ourselves, that is all. Did the hood open or was it already open? Okay, it is not important. Let us go and search for a secret hidden lever, which in my opinion is on the right or perhaps on the left. Oh Lord, where is he? Usually something comes out of my car here, but here you have to look for something. Yes, it appears that I have discovered it. Mysticism. Reveal yourself. And as we can observe, there is a massive engine with a displacement of 5.5 liters, without any turbines or superchargers, only possessing an incredibly powerful and primitive force of 300 horsepower. A big herd of horses and everything is here. The engine is amazing, isn't it? And this table is also intriguing. By the way, she talks about what equipment we have here. I don't know what these symbols mean, but most likely it's a full maximum, friends. Well, are we closing? We perform all tasks with utmost care and tenderness, treating them as if they were our cherished girlfriend. Or perhaps you like it rough with girls, but that's already on your conscience. Well, are we going or not? I adore heavy doors, but I still can't become accustomed to these because they are excessively enormous. This thing scares. Feels like someone pulling up behind, trying to grab you, but no one is there. Contrarily, she states, I'll assist, buckle up, and all will be fine, all will be good. That is how you need to do it gently, friends. You do not need to pull, tear, and so on. And you feel, she absolutely nailed it, super. And now let's listen to the way this car starts. Ah, primitive power, just a monster sitting here. Well, except for me, the exception to the rule. Naturally, we convert the automatic into drive and embark on a journey with friends because you will be a hero in this car. Wherever you show up, everyone will want to come here and simply sit, not to mention driving for a little while. Farewell.